Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can change the 5-day calendar into 7-day calendar, keeping the finish date constant. So we'll make the finish date same. So let's start. I'll open one project. I'll open it. We can see here it has been assigned to the 5 days work calendar. So I will go to the enterprises and make 7-day calendar. First I'll make the 7-day calendar. Okay. So I will modify this one. This is 5 days working calendar. I will add another one. I will add from here. Add it. And this 7-day working calendar. Sorry, 7 days calendar. Working calendar. Just I will add it. Then I will go to modify. Change it work. Sorry, this is fine. Little worksheet. We'll go to the work week. You can see that Sunday is non-working, so I'll just make 8 to it is working days and 12 to 13 is non-working. Let's check it with other. It's fine. Saturday also will make same. 8 to 16 is non-work. Then 12 to 13 it's non-work. I'll just press OK. This is fine. This is we have done it. We have made the calendar. Now if I change here this activities, it's it is since milestone. I'll change this one. Okay, I'll just change this calendar to 7 days working calendar. Now it has changed. It's almost same. If we change here to this one to 7 days working calendar, see, I'll just make this to change. It and change 16 Feb 12. If I do scheduling here, it has changed into 20 Feb. You can see this one. It had been changed into this finish date has been changed. So I think I'll just make first the same. Control A. It is same now. It's going to 2022. I'll just schedule it. It is 24 now. It is changing. So first I will maintain a baseline. I will add this copy. Set a copy of this as a baseline. It is here B1. First July. Check it whether it's done or not. It is in B2. Okay, this is done. So I'll assign the baseline. Go to assign baseline and change it to B2. This is our assign it. Okay, now we can see the variance. By this in the variance we can see how the difference between the difference. We can see the difference by changing the calendar. If you change it to the 7 days working calendar, you can see it here. I'll just click here, just schedule it. Oh, there's no effect in this. Okay, it's fine. I'll just create into next and I'll just do it. And just do it. There is variance. Look, 4 days variance. You can see it. So we just want to make the finish date constant. For that, I'll show you how we can do it. Just I'll make it same. I'll just make it same. There is no variance. 0 is fine. First, I will define the user defined function so that I can store the start finish date on it. So I'll go to user defined finish date. I have already defined start date and finish date. Okay, this is fine. I'll use this function for now, and I will go to the tools, go to global change, and I will add new change here where just write global change 1, where I will right here 1 start is equals to start. I will store the start date here, and second finish is equals to I will store here finish Yes, I'll do it. I'll make change it. And if you see here, I'll put the change content parameter that cannot be cancelled after being a report. Do you want to see? Yes, I want to see it. And it is stored here now. New value. I just commit the change. Would like to save it. Yes. And I don't want to. Sorry. It's done. Now I can close. Okay. Now I can close it here. Now then after I can change this calendar into 7 days. Okay, I'll just create here 7 days button calendar and I will make it overall here. This is here. Oh, it's not done. So I'll just click here. 7 days is calendar is assigned. Just keep it keep it here and Control E, and you can see that 7 days calendar is assigned to all. You can see that finish date is different. So now what I can do is I will just go to the interface and go to tools global change. I'll make another change here where change to is equals to where I will add here where plant start is equals to 1 star, and I will add another plant finish is equals to plant finish is equals to 2 finish. I'll make the change. Okay, and it is now change. So I'll just commit the change. I'll do okay. I don't want to save it, so I'll just do okay and I'll do close. You can see here my finish date is same, and there is just change in the original duration. There is no change in the finish date. You can see here the change. There is no variance. If you want to see start date, you can see bring the start date also. Date be alone. If you want to see it, just see here. Okay, yes, you can see here start and finish date are same. Only the original duration will change. By this way, you can change your calendar and can make the start and finish date same without and finish date same with the change of the calendar, but the original duration will be changed. You need to make sure that the original duration will be changed or the rest is same. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.